Hi, welcome back to this channel. Recently, I made a video on how to use other people content on Facebook. On that video, I show how you can use a screen recorder to record yourself while playing a video, and I show you how you can use other people content. You just download the video and react to that video, or just show your face on that video, and that one you will show your face. All right. And in this video that I'm going to show you right now, we are going to use a free AI tool that is going to generate the video for us. All right, it's a mobile app PC options too that you can use it, right? So we are going to use this website or this platform, create our own video and post it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and styles, and make money from it. I've been seeing a lot of people creating such content, and all this content that they were creating, it was an AI that was creating that content for you them, and they've been posting them on the social media and generating millions of views, hundreds of views every day, and cashing out from it. So when I found out, I said let me come in and share it for you, so that if you want to start cashing out also from social media, either Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and stuff, then you too can use that method. So without wasting much time, let's get into the screen, right? But before I go, if you are new to this channel, I made video on how to make money, use how to make money, grow your wealth and stuff. So if you're interested in such content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bar, and make sure you like this video. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Let's get started. So first off, I'll put the link of this website of this application in the comment section if you don't have it, or you can go to a Play Store and search for Famora. Okay. If you don't have that one, don't worry, I'll put the link in the description so that you get the original app, right? So this website is what we are going to use, right? We are going to use this application. It's called Famora. Okay, Famora, right? So if you check this application, you could see that I have it here, and I can show you some of the video I just created using this website, right? So I created this video using this application. So let me play this video so that you hear. Ghana with a rich history and untold stories. Okay. Did you know that the name Sidi originates from the Afan word? Okay, so this is one of the content I made. I created using this AI tool, right? I have another one here too. I created it using AI tool. And play it. Sarkodie, also known as Michael Owusu Addo, born on July 10th, 1985. At times you will see such content that most of people are posting and generating a lot of views and stuff from it, right? And are cashing out from it. But the question is, how do they do it, right? So we are going to use this website. But before you go, this one we need to make sure we provide it with an information, then it creates that for us. So if you check here, it says text to video. So we are going to provide the this tool with a test, right? So to do so, I just want us to use this free tool. I want us to use everything that is free. That's our WhatsApp Meta or Meta AI. So we are going to ask Meta AI to do something for us. So first of all, you need to make sure you go to the platform or the website, the media that you want to use to create your content, right? So let's say you want to use Facebook, you go in and create your Facebook page, and you name it, you choose your category, right? So the page, let's say my page, I want to make video about fat, right? About fat. So I'll come to AI and ask AI, give me AI fat, a fat. Okay, hi, give me 5 fats, right? So I say, hi, give me 5 facts about Dubai, right? This AI tool is going to generate the fact here. Okay, here are 5 facts about Dubai, right? Okay, so it has generated the fact here for me. So what I would do is I just copy this. So I copy it here, come open my note, and then paste it inside the note, right? Then I'm going to edit it, right? Because not everything here is perfect. So let me edit here, clean this one, clean this part, right? And then go top, and then create here, right? So I can add something. 5 facts about Dubai that will shock you. Right, so this is my fact already, so you can read about it and do your own research about it. After you are done, then you copy it, select all, then you copy it, and we are going to our website, our app, right? Our AI generated app. So this is my app here. I come to and tap on here, then I paste my command here, right? I paste it here, then you go in and hit on generate. But before you do that, it has something that you need to check out. If you check on the settings here, you tap on the settings, then you do some small settings there, right? Okay, so let's check that one too. But please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel to help us grow this page, right? So we have the duration, that is what any chapter of the page, how much or what duration do you want, right? And we have the ratio. You can change the ratio, you can use this one. So for most of social media like Facebook, Instagram, and you can choose that one, 9:16, or you can choose this one, 16:9. And here you choose the music that will play at the background, right? And you come here, then you choose your character, the person that you want to speak, right? So I choose this one. You hear the voice of it, right? So me, I always prefer Aaron, so I choose Aaron. I come back. This app, you can post about 3,000 words, right? So this is a very great app that you can post about 3,000 words that this AI tool will generate it for you. Okay, so then after you have done everything, you check everything is correct and stuff, then you hit on create. So you will see it has show you some keywords we had right here. So some important keywords here. Okay, so the first way you say prepared, shocked, and stuff. So they are the important keywords that they will use. Okay, so you can add more or you can select more. Okay, you can select some stars. So after you have checked that everything is good and stuff, then you hit on generate video. So it will start processing your video, analyzing the text and stuff, and start processing your video. So let's wait for our video to finish and let's see the outcome of this. And sometimes you see a prompt that will tell you to subscribe or subscribe for some monthly, and before you can use it, if you have money, just subscribe it, and you can subscribe for just 1 month. So congrats, you see this is our video that has been generated for us, right? So let's click on play and see how it will.
Get ready to be amazed by these shocking facts about Dubai. Did you know that Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters, 2,122 feet? This architectural marvel will leave you speechless. But that's not all in Dubai.
Alright, so this is the video that this AI tool has generated for us, right? And we can do a lot of settings about this, right? Check for the starting. You see,
get ready to be amazed by the
right, and we can remove the song here, because the reason why I want us to remove the song is to stay away from copyright issue and stuff, because we don't know where they got that song and they put it in our video for us. If you check for the duration of this video is 1 minute 20 seconds, right?
Get
so
ready to be amazed by these shocking facts about Dubai. Did you know that Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters, 2,122 feet? This architectural marvel will lead.
Okay, we can edit the subtitle. We can do a lot of stuff about it, right? Okay, so this is the easiest way that you can get a content or any video and use it for your AI video that is what free to
by
be
these
generated.
shocking.
Post it on your social media platform and make money from it. To export this video, just come to export here. Okay, so it has given us what resolutions and everything about it. So if I want to download this video, prepare seconds here. I have 30 here. You can change it to 25, but let's make it a 30. Then I hit on export. So this video will be downloaded to our device gallery. So let's finish it and let's go in and check it and see how it look like. We have got our video, so let's go back to our gallery and check for it, right? So let me go home, come to gallery, scroll down to this side, Filmora. Let's scan. Yeah, this is the video.
Ready to be amazed by these shocking facts about Dubai. Did you know that Dubai is home to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, standing at a staggering 828 meters, 2,122 feet? This architectural marvel will leave you speechless. But that's not all in Dubai. There is no income tax. This makes it a favorite destination for expats and businesses looking for financial freedom. What's truly astonishing is how Dubai has transformed from a small trading port to a modern metropolis.
Okay, so such kinds of video, if you post it on any of the social media platforms, you will see a lot of people will jump to this video and start watching the video, and you make money from it. And so this is the video that I'm talking about. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. You come in and answer. You see in the next video.